Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to unbox BOXYCHARM. And this is just the regular BOXYCHARM, no upgrades or anything. So we're going to do that today. If you haven't already subscribed, please subscribe below. And we are going to get into this. Oh, I wanted to say too that in my last video, which was earlier today, I unbagged the two, what are they? Ipsy subscriptions. I have a 19-year-old profile and my regular 36-year-old profile. And I was determining which was which without knowing which was which. And I totally bombed it, which is fine because it's okay because I like everything that was in both of them. So it didn't even matter. So I left. I came back home and I had this waiting for me. So I was so excited. So I had to record. I did already pop this open just to make it easier because it's a bitch to get open. This is the May subscription and it's Make Waves. It's cute. Getting ready for summer. This is the piece of paper that actually tells you what it is and how much it is. Okay, so the first item up is eyelashes. These are faux mink limited edition lashes by Lily Lashes, which is pretty cool because now I'm starting to get into doing the fake lashes and, you know, all the little girly stuff. And I'm liking it. So I'm pretty excited that I got these. Let's see. Let's look what we got. Oh, where are you? Oh, Lily Lashes. Exclusive faux mink Gaia lashes. I hope I'm saying that right. MSRP is $24.99. Oh, that's a lot of money for some lashes. But that's okay. We're going to try them out. And I'm sure I'm going to look beautiful. And I'll probably end up doing that on a video. The next item up is Eye Luster Cream Eyeshadow. Oh boy. I'm not really good with any kind of cream eyeshadows or blushes. Eek. Oh, that is right up my alley. That's pretty. It's kind of like a mauve-y pink. Let's see what the color is. Oh, metallic eyeshadow. Oh, let's look on here. It doesn't say what color it is. Oh, where are you? Oh, there we are. Oh, it does not say, but it does say that is long-lasting, shimmering eyeshadow. The metallic glittering liquid eyeshadow can be swiped on for full coverage luster, blended out for sheer sparkle, or applied over any eyeshadow as a topper. That's good to know. Yeah. You can do all those things and get 3 different looks. 3 different looks. You can get more looks if you use different color eyeshadow. That MSRP is $22. I'm pretty excited to use this actually because it's a pink. I don't know if you could see that. Let's see. Oh! OMG. Do you see that? OMG. Let's see. Oh, it spreads out. It's very, oh, what is the word? It's kind of like, not watery, but it's thin and it looks like it's easily manipulative. Oh yeah. See, now I'm just rubbing it out and it's just full on sparkle. You see it now? That's my finger. Bloop, bloop, bloop. This is exciting. This is a nice color too. You could use that with anything. Okay, and I do have a washcloth. Trying to wipe it off. And it doesn't really come off too easily. It just kind of left the sparkles a little bit. I love that. I love sparkles. Next item up is Oh, what is this? Glam Glow Gentle Gentle Bubble Daily Conditioning Cleanser. And this is big. So this looks like it's a full size product. That's what it looks like. Is there a... I can't open it. I was trying to see if there was a safety seal, but there's not. It smells pretty good. So, Gentle Bubble Daily Conditioning Cleanser. That's all it says. Oh, here we go. Apply to wet face and gently massage evenly in circular motions. Rinse well and pat dry. Use daily as directed or as desired. It's just a cleanser that is MSRP $28 for a cleanser. That is a lot. But if it works, it works. Looks like it's gonna work pretty good. I can't wait to use that. I'm always down for a good cleanser, especially a really good one, because my face is weird. It's oily on my forehead and dry on my face, kind of a little oily on my chin too. So I like to dabble in different ones, especially a high-priced one. I'm always thinking, this is gonna work any better. Oh, Daily Conditioning Cleanser. So I am pretty excited to use that. I'm gonna use that tonight and see how it works. For my fourth product, we have, oh, what is this? Another glitter something or other. Oriza. Oh God, I know I'm butchering that word. Beauty. So let's look on the handy dandy pamphlet. Where are you? Opaline Top Gloss. Still doesn't tell me anything. Oh, it's for your lips. I was a little bit confused because the liquid eyeshadow looked like a lip gloss. And that is what it looks like. Can't really tell. The lighting in here sucks. I have the window over there and the light to the room above me. And if you didn't see my last video, the whole reason why I am taping in my bedroom is because my neighbors are doing construction and it's loud over there by that window. So I'm in my room at the other end of the house. I already have lip gloss on, so let's just see what it looks like. Oh, do you see that? You can't even see it, but it actually looks like the liquid eyeshadow that I just took out. And that's the lip gloss. They look exactly the same, but I'm sure the lip gloss is a little bit more tackier and you can't use that on your eyelids. Well, I guess you could use it on your eyelids, but I don't think I'd want to. My final product is, oh, a Color at Blush Trio. And I cannot even read that. I cannot read the name of that. What is that? Oh, Alamar. Alamar. I actually see it now. But why would you put the L like that? It looks like an upside down T. Oh, where are we? Where are we? Forgot to mention too before, the lip gloss, the MSRP was $14.99. So this one is Alamar Color at Blush Trio, and MSRP is $22. So I'm guessing there's 3 blushes in here. Let's open her up. They make these so hard to get open. Okay, here we go. Oh, not so bad. Okay, these are the colors. They're not too bad. They're kind of dark and bright though for me. There's Seclusion, Isla, and Toasted. Let's do some swatches. Oh, get off there. So we have Seclusion, Isla, and Toasted. And there they are. I would probably use the one in the middle. If I were to use any of them, it's a in between. The Seclusion is a little bit too orangey for me, and the other one's a little bit too dark, so but, yeah, it was a good idea. I'll probably use them for a video, or I might let my daughter. Yeah, no. That's not a good idea either. Usually when she puts makeup on, it is literally all over her face. She doesn't understand that the blush goes on your cheeks and not your eyes, and the lip gloss goes on your lips and not your eyes. Everything always ends up where it's not supposed to be. So I'm kind of like, eek, when she does any makeup. So oh, it's always fun to play around a little bit, you know. That was everything in my box. Not too shabby. The face cleanser, I'm pretty excited to use. I will be using that tonight and possibly in the morning. I do wash my face at night, but when I'm in the shower, I also wash it again. You know, just a little bit more deep clean and exfoliate and get off all that crap that you put on. That's a load of crap. So I just wanted to give you an update. My arm itched and I went to itch it on my pants, the arm that I had the blush on, and it all came off. There's not even any speckle of it left. So if you're wondering if it will fall off, it will. There's not even anything left on my arm. I will probably be giving that to my daughter. Okay, so thanks for watching, y'all. I look like Popeye when I do that. Do I look like Popeye? Oh. I definitely don't want to look like Popeye. Oh. My hair is so frizzy. Okay, so that is the end of my unboxing. Thank you for watching. If you haven't already, subscribe below. Please, blah, blah, blah. You know what I mean. And give me a thumbs up if you think I'm nuts. Bye, y'all.